Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Shraddha and I make videos on beauty, home and other things. So as the title already suggests, it's a Bath and Body Work haul. I love Bath and Body Works. I mean, I really love their products. सो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की बात एंड बॉडी वर्क से. सो दे हैड एन ऑफर गोइंग ऑन वेर एवरी थिंग वॉज ऑन 799. द होल स्टोर वॉज ऑन 799. आई वेंट टू द इन्फिनिटी मॉल मलाड स्टोर of Bath and Body Works. So I got lot of stuff. So let's get started with it. So yeah. Also before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed, please channel को subscribe कीजिए. It's free. Also if you like this video, please like and comment and share it with your friends. Let's start with the video. तो मैं जो पहली कैटेगरी आपको दिखाऊंगी दैट इज़ बॉडी वॉश. आई हैव परचेज अराउंड 3 बॉडी वॉश एंड 1 body scrub. So the first one is the salt water breeze. This is like a moisturizing body wash. It is very creamy. मतलब आप देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा it's like a cream. It's like a body cream, but it's very moisturizing. It smells very much like sea breeze. I mean, as literal as I can get. इसमें like you have shea butter, cocoa butter, तो काफ़ी moisturizing है and the fragrance is very very fresh. तो आप इसको like गर्मी के season में, summers में, it would be really nice. So I got this one. The packaging is also very cute. It's blue and white and it has like little gold, like it looks like like a beach and like a sea kind of packaging. So I really like this one. So the next body wash is the aromatherapy stress relief eucalyptus and spearmint body wash. If you have not tried the aromatherapy range of Bath and Body Works, I highly recommend. Please try at least one product. You will love it, trust me. It's so relaxing. मतलब ये पूरी range is for like relaxing. They have like amazing fragrances like lavender, and you have spearmint, you have eucalyptus. All these are very like like relaxing and calming fragrance. So I really like this. This smells so relaxing. मतलब I highly recommend try at least one product from the aromatherapy range, especially the eucalyptus one. I've got this. I've got 2 actually of this. There's one more of this. So this also I got in 799. इसका actual price is 1399. That is around 1400. So this was like almost 50% off. So I got this one. I got 2 of these. This is very like good for like after you come home after your work and you want a relaxing shower, or even subhe bhi, matlab it's so relaxing. I mean, you should try this. Okay, so the next one is I suppose is the new launch. मतलब मैंने ये product कभी देखा नहीं था in the store. The product name is Champagne Toast. So they have the whole range of Champagne Toast. They have the fragrance, they have the shower gel, they also have body lotion. So I got this one just to try. It smells very like peach and fruity. It's really nice. I mean, I really liked it. It's something very different, very fruity, very like a peach fragrance. So I got this. This is like a shower gel. This was around 1299. I also got this for 799. So the whole store was on 799. So आप कुछ भी ले लो आपको उतना ही price पड़ता था. So this so I've saved almost like 40% on this product. The packaging is also very cute. Like you can see like there's a amazing design over here, and there's like a gold. This is like the patent Bath and Body Works packaging. So I've tried that. This is, I don't know if this is a print or a embossing. ये print तो नहीं है, but it's so nice. I mean, it feels very different, very luxurious, I feel. So this is the another shower gel which I got. So the next product is a body scrub. This is from the aromatherapy range again. You know I'm obsessed with aromatherapy, as you can tell. So this is also the same fragrance, that is the eucalyptus and spearmint, जिसका जो body wash था, the same fragrance. So this is like a sugar scrub. So there are like sugar granules in this. So once you start, scrubbing, it melts and it forms like a lather, like like your normal body wash. So this is also like a great steal, because इसका original price is 1699, मतलब it's close to 1700, like 1700, and I got this for 799, which is like a steal. So once I saw this, I grabbed it, because I have used the other sugar scrub. Like this was not from the aromatherapy range, but like from other range of Bath and Body Works, and their sugar scrub is really nice. You should try if you love scrubbing, body scrubs, and like a little pamper session, so you can go for this. I really like the fragrance, so I've got the aromatherapy one. This is the stress relief range. So yeah. Next up is like an essential product, I would say, but this is like the cleansing hand spray, which Bath and Body Works have introduced. They already have their sanitizers, but this is like a spray sanitizer. You can just this is just for like, you spray this, and it's good, and it smells amazing. This is also the eucalyptus and mint one. I'm so sorry, I'm so obsessed with it. So this is also it's they have like 4-5 fragrance. I think they had like lemon, there was some one fruity fragrance as well, if I'm not wrong, but I like the eucalyptus and mint one, so I got this. This was around 599. This was not in sale, guys, because this was already below 799, so this was around 600, so it was the same price, so I just grabbed it. Next, I've got a lot of body lotions. I've got around 4 to 5 body lotions from Bath and Body Works. So the first one is the aromatherapy. Again, aromatherapy, the love range. This is not the stress relief, this is the love range, which is like rose and vanilla fragrance. Actually मैं जब भी ये ऑनलाइन परचेज़ करने का सोचती थी, वो हमेशा स्टॉक आउट होता था. दिस वॉज, आई वुड हैव नेवर गॉट इट इफ़ आई हैव नॉट वेंट टू द स्टोर. तो मुझे ये स्टोर में दिखा जैसे ही, आई जस्ट ग्रैब्ड इट. आई वॉन्टेड दिस सिंस फॉर एवर. मुझे कब से ट्राई करना था. सो फाइनली आई गॉट दिस व्हेन आई वेंट टू द स्टोर. सो द प्राइस वॉज 1499, विच इज़ क्लोज टू 1500, and which is around 1500 actually. And I got this for 799 because this was also on sale. This is like the body lotion. It's actually like a body cream. This is more thick than the lotion. So I got this one. So the next body cream which I got is Champagne Toast. This is the same range जिसका मैंने body wash भी आपको दिखाया. The fragrance is exactly the same. It's very fruity, peach kind of fragrance. And the packaging also looks very luxurious, very nice. It's the similar packaging, and it has like your opening from here. So I got this one. The final product is the bourbon body lotion. This is from the men's collection. This is actually for my husband. So this is, it's a very like warm fragrance. You have like amber and oak and vitamin E and shea butter in this. This was priced for 1199, that is around 1200, but I got this for 799 because of the sale. This is, I have used this before. It's a very nice fragrance, guys. If you want to have like a very strong fragrance, you like strong fragrances, you can totally buy this. So that's it, guys. This was my Bath and Body Works haul. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like it, comment and share it with your friends, and hope to see you soon.